Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakuras Moments and today we're gonna talk about the most famous drawer unit in the world, the Alex drawer unit from IKEA. Let's start! Alright, so in this video I would like to share with you my opinion about this drawer unit, if I like it or if I don't, and also my experience assembling it and the problems that I faced so you could avoid my mistakes. Usually when I have a new IKEA furniture to assemble, I'm like in a race competition, I don't know why, trying to assemble it as fast as possible and that end up to do something wrong. Anyway, let's check the drawer now. As you can see, the drawer, guys, is pretty simple. I got the black color, but there is 3 more colors to choose. The white, the light oak brown, and the turquoise. What I like about it is that the drawers are so practical and they can fit so much stuff. I fit inside, guys, my keyboard, which is very big, inside its original box. And no problem, it's fitting perfectly. The drawers looks very small from outside, but they're very deep. The depth is 58 centimeters, the width 36 centimeters, and the height of the drawer unit is 70 centimeters. And you can also buy extra casters with €10 and increase the height by 7 centimeters. Now about the assembly, normally it's straightforward, and if you follow the manual, guys, you'll be alright, you won't have any problem. But you have to be very careful, as if you mess up with small things, that will cause you so much trouble and you're gonna lose a lot of time. So I wanna share with you 3 mistakes that I did, so if you decide to get this drawer unit, I hope you're gonna avoid them after watching this video. Some of them are so tiny mistakes, but they are still mistakes, so if you make them, they're gonna make your whole construction opposite. So let's start with the first one. Alright, so when you see the 2 side drawers, the 2 side woods of our furniture with the runners, you have to notice here that the distance, guys, between 3 of them are different comparing to the other 2. So 3 of them have more distance and 2 of them have less distance between the runners. So there, guys, you need to understand that the 3 of them that have more distance will be down because there are gonna be big drawers installed there, and the 2 that have less space between them, the 2 runners that have less space, will be up because they're 2 small drawers that will be up in the furniture. This was a mistake I made, and I don't remember to be something so obvious in the manual, so don't rush like me to avoid it. Alright, so another mistake that I made, and you should be careful also, is that there is 2 types of these similar screws. I mean, now it's obvious as we find a picture also in the manual, but if you don't check the manual all the time, like all the details like I did, so definitely it's very easy to make a small mistake like this because those screws are so similar, guys. So don't do it and you're gonna figure out the bad way because it was hard to take it out after and put again the other ones. So this was another mistake. I know, a silly mistake, but if you don't know this, guys, you can make this mistake as well. So if you rush, anything can happen wrong. Anyway, let's go to the third one. Third thing to notice, guys, is when you slide the drawers inside the runners, and then you have to secure with a screw 1 bolt there to secure the drawer in the runner. So you have to make sure to screw it from the inside the drawer, this screw, not from outside, because you're gonna hit there. So screw this bolt from the inside the drawer and you'll be good. And this was my experience assembling the Alex drawer unit from IKEA. Other than that, guys, piece of cake. Just 4 hours built and rebuilt if you make the mistakes. Alright, so last I would like to mention that this drawer can be put it under your office or in the side, how I have it right here, and it looks good. Also, I believe that the simple design that this drawer have can be fitted in a professional office environment or in a gaming setup like I have it here. So that makes it a very versatile piece of furniture that you can fill with any crap that you want to fill it with. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. And Until next time guys, let's make moments we can never forget.